Basic fixes always start here. Restart your PC. Simple but often effective. Helps reset EAC or temporary network glitches. Run Elden Ring as administrator. Right-click on the Elden Ring.exe file. Select Run as administrator. Check server status. Visit https://eldnring.com or https://downdtctor.com to see if EAC or Elden Ring servers are down. Fix 1. Repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Navigate to the EAC install folder. Steam Apps Common Elden Ring Game Easy Anti-Cheat. Run easyanticheat_setup.exe. In the setup window, select Elden Ring from the drop-down. Click Repair Service. Fix 2. Verify game files in Steam. Open Steam. Right-click Elden Ring Properties. Go to Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. Steam will scan and replace any missing or corrupted files. Fix 3. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay, or any other screen recording apps like MSI Afterburner. Use Task Manager to end background tasks that may conflict with EAC. Fix 4. Reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. Go to the EAC folder. Elden Ring Game Easy Anti-Cheat. Run easyanticheat_setup.exe. Choose Elden Ring Uninstall. Then reinstall it using the same setup tool. Fix 5. Update your Windows and GPU drivers. Make sure Windows is fully updated. Update your NVIDIA AMD graphics drivers using GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin. Fix 6. Launch the game directly from the .exe. Navigate to Steam Apps Common Elden Ring Game eldenring.exe. Right-click Run as administrator. Sometimes launching from the executable bypasses Steam launcher issues. Fix 7. Set EAC services to automatic. Press Windows +R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate Easy Anti-Cheat. Right-click Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start if not running, apply OK. Fix 8. Install Repair Visual C++ Redistributables. EAC requires specific runtime libraries. Download the latest x64 and x86 Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft. https://learn.microsoft.com/endash/cpp/wndowslashtpportd-vc-radist. Install or repair both versions. Fix 9. Clear DNS cache reset network. Sometimes connectivity errors affect EAC. Open command prompt admin. Type the following commands one by one. ipconfig flushtens. nach winsock reset. nach int ip reset. Restart your PC. Fix 10. Check system time and date. Incorrect system time can cause authentication issues with EAC. Right-click on the clock in the taskbar. Adjust date time. Enable Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Fix 11. Unblock game files. Go to Steam Apps Common Elden Ring Game. Right-click on eldenring.exe and start_protected_game.exe. Go to Properties. If you see Unblock at the bottom, check it and click Apply.